Today we're going to learn a different strategy you can use for subtraction problems. So we've already talked about what subtraction is. So in subtraction we're always going to start off with this symbol here. What is that symbol called? Minus. Good. So minus. In subtraction we always know a certain number always is going to go first. So I've made a chant to help us remember what number that is. So we said, here's how the chant goes. I'm going to point to me when it's my turn, and then you repeat after me when I point to you. Okay? In subtraction, the bigger number always comes first. Good. So the bigger number is always going to come first in a subtraction problem. So that's going to be our first number spot here is going to be for our bigger number. And then we're going to be taking away from that bigger number. That's how subtraction works. So we already talked about how we could use manipulatives like cubes or cookies or cereal or things like that to solve a subtraction problem. But today we're going to talk about how we could use drawing circles just like we did for addition problems, a similar way. So if we're going to draw circles to solve a subtraction problem, here's how we're going to do it. If the problem was going to be 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Notice our bigger number is coming first, and then we should have a smaller number and another smaller number after the equal sign. So here's how we're going to figure out what it equals if we have 4 and we take away 2. So we're going to start off by saying, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. I'm going to draw the number of circles that is for our bigger number here. So I started off with 4. The next number I need to do is 2. But I don't want to just draw 2 more circles because I'm not adding here. I'm not adding 2 more onto 4. I need to take it away. So I need to figure out what I could do to show how I'm going to take away 2 circles. Oh, I could draw an X through the circles, and that way I'll know that they're not part of our circles anymore. So we're going to say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to take away 2. So I'm going to draw an X through 2 of the circles. So 1, 2. Now, how many do I have left? I need to count how many I have left so I know what this equals. So I have 1, 2 left. So it equals 2. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Or 4 minus 2 equals 2. Awesome. Okay, let's try one more time with different numbers just so we can get a chance to practice drawing those circles. So our subtraction problem is going to be 6 minus 4. Now, when we start, we always have this bigger number first. That's the number of circles you need to draw. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many circles do I need to put an X through? Let's look at our problem. I'm taking away how many? 4. Good. So if I'm taking away 4, that means I need to draw 4 X's. So, or you can just draw a line. A line is also completely fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm crossing off 4. Now, how many do I have left here? 1, 2, 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. That's a really awesome job using these circles to do our subtraction problems. Let's practice our chant one more time so we remember. So we said, in subtraction, the bigger number always comes first. Good job. And when you're checking your problems, you want to make sure that you did it right by saying, okay, 6 is our bigger than 4. Good. Is 6 bigger than 2? Good. So you know you got it right because 6 is your bigger number. Really awesome job using this strategy of drawing circles. And we'll learn a new strategy in the next lesson as well.